As of late 2024, Venmo does not directly support receiving Bitcoin. You cannot enable a crypto wallet or generate a BTC address within the Venmo app itself. Venmo's parent company, PayPal, does offer crypto features, but these are separate. To receive BTC, you'll need to use workarounds involving PayPal or other platforms. Think of it this way: Venmo is a no-go zone for direct BTC reception. We will explore the alternatives available. While you can't receive Bitcoin directly on Venmo, here's the workaround. First, ensure your Venmo and PayPal accounts are linked. Second, use PayPal's crypto feature to buy Bitcoin. Third, transfer your Bitcoin from PayPal to an external Bitcoin wallet, such as Coinbase or a hardware wallet. You'll need the receiving address from your external wallet. Alternatives include using crypto exchanges like Coinbase or Kraken that integrate with PayPal for Bitcoin transactions. Remember, PayPal has deposit limits and fees for crypto transactions, so verify your account for higher limits and check current fees.